You may have heard of this never change a running system. If something is performing or functioning well enough, there is no need to change or interfere with it, as you may introduce new problems as a result. This statement is obviously debatable, especially when you want to innovate or reinvent yourself or a product. The Galaxy Watch 6 reintroduced the rotating bezel. Personally, I don't think that is a bad move by Samsung. Design is, however, subjective and influenced by personal opinions, thoughts, and feelings. Now, when I inspected the FCC listing that just appeared in their database, I found a couple of interesting tests that will hopefully fix some of the known issues like overheating, especially when it comes to the LTE version. The FDA has also just approved the irregular heart rhythm notification for the current Galaxy Watch 5, which will be released alongside One UI 5. Look, this plays an important role for the upcoming Galaxy Watch 6 FCC certification. Take this, for example, the EMC testing. The FDA requires that all medical devices undergo EMC testing per the appropriate FDA reviewer guidance document, which clearly means if Samsung wants to introduce more health features for the upcoming Galaxy Watch 6, this EMC test has to pass, full stop. But hang on, here is the most interesting test of them all. The antenna test. And this test is done inside as well as outside as per guidance and regulations, and that's where Samsung needs to get their act together and fix the overheating issue rather than ignore it. Look, the test is a radiation pattern test but should also indicate any issues that may occur when the Galaxy Watch 6 is in different environments and using the antennas heavily. All of this is a step in the right direction, and if you want to see how the Galaxy Watch 6 holds up, well, I hope I earned your subscription today. Thank you for watching. Peace out.